Hello, guys. Hope we are all doing well, and we hope the day is going well and fine. Today, we are talking about the Palm Play app. Someone might ask, what is Palm Play? It's an app which can be used to purchase airtime, bundle, and even pay for TV subscription, as well as water, as well as paying for water utilities. So, what are we talking about today? Is a referral program or a promo that they are doing. That is refer and end. So, as we all know, we use this app to do so many things. But what we are talking about today is refer and end promo that they've started. Refer and end promo that they've started. So what must you do, or where can you see this promo they are running now? So where the services are, you can see refer and end, or you come below at where they've written the 20 Cedis. It's all the same thing. So when you tap on either of them, you can see that the promo of what it entails is over there. So let's break it down to see what they actually mean. So with this, you can earn money without even working. So share and earn, invite friend and earn cash. So this is a promo which will end in 5 days. So we all need to invite our friends to this platform and let's make money. So first of all, as I said, it's a promo, so it will end very soon. So we have to engage ourselves in it so that we can make money from this partnership or program. So when you go to your history, you can see what you've done. So every details of whomever registered or the activity the person did will be shown over there. You can see the friends I have invited, the kind of money I earned on them. And it's not only inviting your friend to register alone, but when the friend registered, you earned an amount of money, and when he or she also top up his or her balance, you earned something small. So these are the rules one must follow to in order to win this promo. Each refer tax is for valid for 7 days. It's valid for 7 days. So after 7 days, you can't have access to it since it's a promo. After the tax expired, detail of all invitees for the particular tax will be cleared off. So after the tax is done, which is the 7 days, every detail will be cleared off. So you must make sure you invite a lot of friends to this wonderful promotion they are doing. You share your link with friends. The people you invite will get cash, as well as you inviting them, you also get cash. So after the rewardee or the person you invite finish his or her tax, you also make money. So you have to tap on the link over here to share to your friends so that you and them can also make that money. So this is how the promo is. So I'll link my invitation link under the description, or when you check the description, you see the link. So you can use my link to register so that we both can make money. And with this, you can even withdraw the money in your Momo wallet, mobile money, Voda Cash, Airtel Tigo. You can withdraw the money with that. And also, what you must know is before you make withdrawal, they will ask you of your Ghana card. So you must enter or give them your Ghana card details. Hope it will help someone make some few cedis. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that whenever we upload any new videos, you can also get and enjoy. Thank you.